Introducing a brand new feature on Supademo, external viewer comments. Now users can click through a Supademo as a link or when it's embedded. Viewers can click the comment icon on the top left to leave feedback, flag issues with the demo, or simply ask questions. Viewers will be able to see other external comments and add their own, either anonymously or by entering their details. For example, viewers can respond to this comment from another user for slide 7. Admins can view comments directly within the Supademo or get notifications within their workspace. Let's click this comment notification from the admin view. Clicking the comment takes us directly to the Supademo in question. Admins can easily filter between external and internal comments and quick respond or resolve them. Head to supademo.com to learn more. And yes, this is an AI-generated voiceover using Supademo.